The Morimoto XB LED headlights for the 2017 and up Super Duty work with halogen or factory LED equipped vehicles. If you've got a halogen truck, you can plug them in right out of the box with no modifications required. If you've got a factory LED vehicle, there's a few connections you need to make with the LED harness to get everything working properly. Essentially what we are removing by installing this harness is these two resistors and capacitors up here. You can even go as far as to unscrew them if you'd like, or what a lot of people do is just connect the two ends together, leave them tidied up. Here we've got our low and high beam plug. Go ahead and unplug that right here. And that's going to plug in to our LED adapter harness like so. Next we've got our factory turn signal connector. Go ahead and unplug it from here. Unplug this white connector here. Set this harness off to the side, and we will plug in our turn signal connector to the LED adapter harness like so. Next, take this orange connector, remove the plastic cover, and plug it into the orange wire on the LED adapter harness. Finally, connect the blue wires together like so. And that's all there is to it. At this point, this end of the harness plugs into your truck. You can mount your XB LED headlight and everything will function as it should.